YouTube, what's popping, man? Good Friday. Out here trading in the sun today. Good Florida sun, man. A lot of news came out. It's August 1st. Apparently,
Let's go over some of it real quick. Let's go over some of it. So we got Trump unleashes sweeping new tariffs.
yeah. Oh, yeah, my boy got the news right here. All right, so market is down. As you can see on the screen, we're breaking new levels. I'll keep adding levels. We're hitting levels. Trump unleashes sweeping new tariffs in a blow to global trade. That's the main headlines on CNBC this morning. A couple bullet points. President Donald Trump signed an executive order that adjusted so-called reciprocal tariffs on a slew of countries, with new levies ranging from 10% to 41%. Trump told NBC News in a phone interview that he was open to more compelling offers, but it was too late for some nations to avoid duties as of next week. World leaders have been reacting to the developments.
That's just that power too. With the too late quote.
But the too late quote.
Like too late. You want to play? Then I'm gonna play. Let's see what else we got, boys. See what else we got.
Bro, the Trump and Powell battle, it's ridiculous. It's a trade. It's ridiculous. All right, we have the jobs data come in at 8:30 this morning. We're waiting on some more jobs data at 10. Another headline from CNBC: U.S. added just 73,000 jobs in July, and the numbers for prior months were revised much lower. So it was a revision on the employment numbers from last month, shown this month, and they were revised super lower. So the numbers last month were jacked up.
They were pretty much telling you last month, like the revised numbers were fake. That's what I think everybody was saying. There was a lot of government jobs, some kind of fluff in there that they was pushing this summer, but that's pretty crazy. They were pushing inflated job reports all summer. And then now the revised jobs reports are coming out and the market's dunking.
Yeah, so the June total jobs was previously stated it was 147,000, and it was revised down to 125,000. Gee whiz, that's a big miss. That's even what they were saying on CNBC this morning. It's like, what data can we trust right now? It's like all the data's wrong. It's like the PMI, they got to come out the next month and readjust.
Yeah, it's just real. You can't really trust any of the data right now. They're paying to get the data early, and then it's coming out manipulated.
Yeah, so bro, this is crazy.
Let's see what else we got. Treasury yields tumble after much weaker than expected July jobs, so getting some bond market pullback as well. I think the VIX is also up a little point today. VIX is over 20. VIX is over 22% today.
All right, VIX over 20. That means usually VIX go up, stocks go down. Shit's getting volatile.
MAG is pretty much all red besides Apple.
All red but Apple.
Amazon earnings, of course, was the big hit.
Yeah, well, Amazon's down 7% right now.
Yeah, they're now 6.15 right now. They started out at open down 7%, so they did find a little bounce about 1% since open. First 15-minute candle, red but higher.
This shit is probably going down to.
It's paying everywhere. Uber's at 86. Google's under 190.
House of Pain. Yeah, this
Nvidia is down 3%, 3.5.
It's crazy. You already done slid Asia, London. See how this 4 hour gonna close, man. This is it's the pullback we've been waiting for, man. Oh my gosh, just don't panic. Might not have a trade today, but about to be seeing how low this thing gets, and about to be setting up some plays in the long portfolio, definitely. Getting to that seasonality point where beginning of August to about September, usually a nice pullback. So it's where you can kind of get those second leg of gains going into Christmas rally and stuff. If you get this dip, it's happening right now.
It's right on time.
Yeah, it's time. We knew it was coming. I got a couple light calls in the market right now. Nothing too deep, but they're kind of like far out, like middle August, and I got one like middle October, so they're not even getting punished like that. Market already knows that already knows the dip is coming, and Christmas rally will be soon after. So
SMCI down 5%. That's actually
chips are
getting
getting
pummeled right now.
shit's getting
All
hit.
stocks are getting pummeled right now.
It's a everything hit right
It's
now.
everything hit with tariff headlines and fake job reports all summer. Like,
That's crazy.
Literally, like fake job reports all summer is fucking nuts.
It's diabolical. Yeah, everything's red. I told you Lucy gonna get delisted, bro. 234. Sheesh. Sheesh, bro.
It's really deep.
Another $1.30. That thing is out of here.
Out of here. Yeah, everything is red. It's the max seller right here. 1%. 1% Tesla. 2% Meta. Under almost 1% Microsoft. Almost 5% AMD. 5% FCI. 6% Amazon. 1.7% Google. Apple just went red off of good earnings. Yeah.
Like, bro, I'm gonna just have to wait for this bitch to stop selling and then put the level down. Because every level I put is
It's getting flush.
yeah, it's getting flush. Every level.
6160 is the level I was watching for a long time. Might be going back all the way down here.
6160. And that is another 100 points. Shit, dude.
It might be going there, but
yeah, that's diabolical, bro.
So I could go to the bottom, 6160, the bottom of that consolidation.
It's like down
This
here.
right here. Top of
6160.
Yeah, where's the 6160?
No, that's 6260. Yeah, up here. 6160 down here.
Down there.
Did you see where this brick of consolidation?
Yeah.
If it breaks the scap, then it's going to 6160.
Yeah.
Bro, that the last ditch effort. That's going to be this demand around here.
Right there. Oh.
Like 6250.
What's considered a good pullback? The market that's been running.
I mean, this whole area. Look at all this fucking shit. This was 3 weeks of price action. Slide through all this shit like butter. So it's gonna probably stop down here.
Yeah, it might actually.
It's about to stop down here. It's like 6240. 6250. It's Monday low right here. It's this July 7th low, 6246. All right, that's not what I'm gonna put. All right, so I'm focused on yes. Everything else, everything's in the same shitty position. So 6246 is gonna be my next level, and that's what I said that was July 7th low.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. So this is the day I'm about to just sit back and let this shit just do its thing, bro. You fuck around and try to catch a knife on a day where we're really pulling back. You know, seasonality's coming.
Yeah, you won't catch a knife. I'm just gonna go with the rules.
Yeah, I mean yeah, I just can't do that. You gotta follow the rules.
Bounce down there and it's gonna be rules.
The breakout would be shorter than the hole. If it does get a bounce down here, then that'll be a reversal, right?
Yeah, but still, it's just like if you're popping out the upside and you broke out the upside and you got one red candle and one fucking nowhere. You know what I'm saying? Your first thought shouldn't be to short over the breakout. You know what I'm saying? If you're waiting for a pullback to continue along, it'll be the same thing. You know what I mean? It leaves first.
Yeah.
Since it's in the breakout zone. Sure, no, it's the same rule though. It's no breakout short them, no breakout spy. You know what I mean? It's breaking out short. You know?
Yeah, so no short on the short, no buy on the buy, right?
But yeah, but you could take the inverse, but it is gonna have that breakout risk on it still.
Still.
I mean? Yeah, so it's still gonna fall into the rule breakup, no breakouts, whether if you take long or You know what I'm saying? That's just broken. Previous day volume last week.
Even on the reversal, oh.
Yeah, dude. So like,
Oh.
that's the rules, bro. No breakouts.
Gotta have a no, man. You know what I'm saying?
Pretty much exits out everything. Because I mean, literally to take it longer, I have to fucking take like over yesterday's volume. How far away was that? That's the whole
Shit,
trade.
that's what 100 points.
Yeah, that's the whole
That'll be
trade.
the trade. You'll be taking one of these July lows and buying it back up to
the sell point.
Yesterday low, last week low.
Yeah. So you wouldn't necessarily do that.
All right, man. I'm gonna go with yes. I got I'm not gonna put a definite location here as of yet. Asia low, 63.46. Asia high, 63.73. This was a wild week, man. I tell you, man. Wild week.
TJ got no breakouts.
Birthday.
No longs in here. We got no longs.
Yeah, yeah. For real. So it extended, so I had to go in and get lows. So levels are plotted on the chart there below, but it just went completely out of the range I have by yesterday.
On the chart outside the trading plan.
All right, so Asia low 63.46. Give me time to check up.
It's not 54.
London low. Let's see what you need me to explain to her.
Private loading. You could put all my lines back in.
62.77.
That's a weekly low down.
Yeah. It's this Friday low back here.
Last Friday low.
Nah, 2 weeks ago.
What's the
Yeah. Weekly low at 240. That's this Wednesday spike down low right here. Kind of sparked a rally. That's our 60. That's our 62.40. That's what I notated on the chart. That's probably where it wants to go. That's a weekly low.
630 high right there.
Yeah, you see, you got that 62.46.
That fucking dash line. That's one of my higher time frame golden lines. At 223. I'm thinking.
And London high 62.55.
Yeah, so the 4 high correlates to last week's lowest. That's like it's nowhere near Thursday's low. Low last week's
63. Yesterday is low.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Just going through my process, guys, making sure I got all my information. Yesterday I got an F on process because I missed a key step, so I just want to take my time. 4. That correlates to 16. 4 hours going to be a continuation to the down. Continuation downside, the high of 63.30. Speaking, boys, 63.30, that correlates with trap building zone and our weekly zone. 63.33. It's that weekly demand zone. All right.
Price currently up. We are low. 63.65, and then last week low is at 63.17.
Last week low. Put every level back.
Every fucking drawing I ever used.
Yeah, last week low way left here at
317.
yeah, you're right. 63.18, 63.17.
So it's gonna spit out of 4 hours. It's spit out 63.17 short.
63.30. It's the high. So that weekly demand zone short that bottom of the weekly. That's the strongest level on the board. That's trap level. Everything.
It's 60.17, 360.
Yeah.
Last week low starts at 60.17. It was a decent spread back to that high.
Yeah. So that's what we look for. That's what we look for right there. Take a look at this. This is the weekly right here. So last week low is the 1875, and anything under 63.35 is shadows. So it made that wick down to 18, came back up. So this whole break, you're right, 18 to 33 is supply.
Crazy how the Lowe's can spit that out.
Yeah, bro. 1875.
Yeah, I just kind of feel bad to this.
Well,
That's good. I agree.
Hmm.
So it is a good trade because the spread's good, but the no breakout with Wall Street.
yeah, but I think
the inverse is there. I know what you
yeah,
said the inverse trade is there.
I thought the breakout was in
It's
because you don't sell and sell or buy.
Yeah, but it's still
Because you have
the
specs
trend
to
that the trend that the daily level break might be stronger
than that reverse.
Yeah,
But that's what you bet on.
That's the bet. That's
Yeah.
the bet.
Yeah, that's what you bet on.
Yeah.
All right, we got a 10 o'clock candle close. Or I made a low of 62.57. That correlates to. Yeah, I'm gonna correlate it to that 7.7 low. It's that same thing I marked right here. All right. Yeah, so run plan spit out a sell of 63.30. SL4. We got a spread, so we're gonna take a look at the 15, see if any demand shows up in my session, and then we'll decide what we're gonna do at that point.
No, it's 15. Yeah.
All right, guys, we got our specs. I'm gonna take a little break so I don't get too antsy. Sit back and relax and watch this 15-minute time frame. See if some buyers are gonna step in on this sell, and see if we can take the spread on the 4 hour from the low back up to the 63.30 zone. Weirdo.
Order filled.
It's still going. I don't know what happened there, guys. I'm here. I don't know what happened. All right, we're getting ready to execute a trade, though. The buyers did show up at my charts up here for you guys. All right, B.
Don't see the live.
It's not live. Yeah. All right, got the charts up here. As you can see, we did have some buyers step up. At the 7.7 low, price just closed over the 7.15 low. It's not a good sell. Excuse me. It's a bad sell. It's a good buy. It's right off the zone. We had a little wick get formed. I want to see a little bigger of a
Gotta see a
wick.
bigger wick.
Got to see a bigger wick, and then
Much debate.
after much debate,
Looking for longs here.
looking for longs. I'll be playing 72 stop, 7.15 lows. Just off of these characteristics, bounced off the 7.7 low, closed over the 7.15 low, and then we got London low right here at 93. If I can get in around this zone, opening this candle was 82. We get a good wick, and then back over 82, I can get in and be break even by London low. I need a good wick though.
A fat wick. I either need a fat wick or just a poop out completely. So
Yeah.
Get in this shit.
Bro's not really liking it because price already broke out of previous day range. He's considering it a breakout. So we have been having a debate about that, and so we'll continue to discuss that.
No, that's where you land at though. If it's not a good sell, it's a good buy. That's such a big rule, but that's the determining factor.
Yeah, exactly.
Like this, you know what I mean?
In the opportunity window, we seeing buyers step in. We got a spread up to yesterday's high to the weekly high. That's a little baby wick, mud.
She's not gonna.
Ain't cute gone. Look at that shit. All right, fuck it. It's Friday, boys.
Friday, boys. Fire.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. Trade Big ES. Go over the bro charts real quick. Get this stop under 72. I'm gonna go ahead and risk about 612 there since the spread's so good.
Go for there.
Yep, I'll be out before last week's low. Should be where the sellers are gonna step in, and I'm gonna be break even before London low. All right, that's me for the day. Get my specs down. It's Friday too, so it'll either be a quick banger or you feel me.
Friday NFP Michigan settlement. It's a risk we take, man. No risk, no
It's
worry.
my job. Gotta do it.
Was not scheduled to be off the desk.
Yep. All right, so that's my trade right there. As you can see, it's a 4-to-1, so it's beautiful risk reward. That's why it's like you know what I'm saying? It's a risk you take. It's a risk you take. Location I'm playing is 715 low, and that's gonna be 62.72. My entry is at 62.82.75. Stop is at 62.70. I'll break even. What's up, my brother? Break even is at London. It's gonna be at 62.94. TP is gonna be at 63.18. Last week low area. Risking about 600. Reward to be about 16. We can get to the TP. 13. Wow, that's great. So last week low is the next major level. That's where my TP is. I mean, that's where my TP is before. I'm at 13, so that's very good. I like that. 63.13. All right, I like it.
Cool. Any space.
any space. We're before a lot of levels. As long as I make sure I'm break even by this zone. As long as I get my risk off on time, then we get some break even right here on bro charts at the London low. And then that's the risk we take, guys. 6 for 15. All right, gang. Gonna enjoy this sun. Let this trade play out. Good work.
Okay.
All right. All right, guys. I actually want to go ahead and get this posted. You guys seen our entire process. Our main reason for this trade. Our 4-hour signal spit out a 633.30 short. We had a spread on the location. Got 7.7 low, 7.15 low right here. Where price broke above. Um, as you can see on the 15, the buyer stepped in. Price has been selling all night. So we'll take this up to the next high time frame supply zone, which is the weekly area. Last week low 318. And yeah, that's it for today, man. That's it for the week. I'll let you guys know how this trade ends, but trade safe. Enjoy your weekend. Make sure you get some beautiful sun. I'm in Florida, enjoying this weather. And that's it, guys. About to go ahead and drop this. What's happening with y'all on Monday, man? Trade safe.